everybody, welcome back. It's Mrs. Simmons-Machota again, and I'm going to talk to you about how to duplicate your slide for the marginalization sort. So thank you for clicking on the video link right here. Let's look at slide 2. So I've just kind of pulled in ideas so that you can get an idea of what it's going to look like. You may have some spaces open. You're definitely going to have some subgroups left in on the margins that you didn't pull in. But now we need to duplicate this slide because we're going to rank them in order. When we're ranking the group in order, we're only going to rank in order the marginalized group side. We're not going to really rank in order the non-marginalized. But double check with your teacher that this is what he or she wants you to do. Now, in order to duplicate a slide, I'm coming over here. So in my slide deck, I currently only have 2 slides, slide 1 and slide 2. Do you notice when I click on the slide that it gets a yellow highlight? I have to have the slide highlighted that I want to duplicate, and I can do that by going to File and Duplicate. And there it goes. It made a slide 3. I'm going to delete that for right now because I can also highlight it and on my keyboard hold down Control D. Control D also makes a duplicated slide. Now you have 3 slides. Slide 1, slide 2, and slide 3 now is the one that you're going to sort. So come back in and look at your marginalized group, and you may be working independently or you may be working with a partner or in a small group. You all need to decide out of these marginalized groups that you have here, which is the most marginalized group. So I'm going to move these around and edit this. So I might say people of color, and then I'm going to come here and I'm going to say LGBTQ, and maybe I'm going to move the homeless up. But then I look and I say, I have working class here. Do we really think working class belongs? I can always move someone out of the sort or move them into a different category. Okay, just so that you know. So you're sorting these in order from greatest to least. You do not need to do this non-marginalized group sort, but you're going to debrief with your teacher and let him or her know who you have in the sort. I hope this video helps. Have a great day.